Yeah. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy J Hood 81, JAYOOD81 on Instagram, and I got my other Instagram page, JHood81_reviews. All my reviews, you can check them out from everybody across the world who has purchased something from me. So today, I want to go through this actually three. I can't fit the other one in the video, but got 3 big boxes from Nike. Actually got them yesterday. Wasn't able to get them unboxed yesterday because yesterday was my oldest daughter's birthday, so we went out and celebrated her birthday. But let's get right to it. Let's get this box first. Let's see what we got from Nike Europe. Yeah, I order most of my kicks from Nike Europe out here in Germany. They get here pretty fast. Turnaround time is like 2 days, and ordering from the States, it takes me about 2-3 weeks. So let's check this out. What is this? Air Max 97 Pure Platinum Team Orange. Check that out right there. So I had quite a few people order. Check it out. Air Max 97s. This colorway has not released in the States yet. Not yet. I'm not sure if it's going to at all either. What y'all think, man? I love them. Great summertime shoe. I think I forgot how many of these I ordered. This is a size 12. This is a size 11. Size 11 and a half. So I got a WhatsApp group out here for most of my customers. And as soon as I posted this inside my WhatsApp group, man, people went crazy. And everybody wanted a pair. People love to have shoes that don't release in the States, or be the first to cop something, you know. People love to have to be the first one with them on their feet. What we got here? We got a whole bunch more of these things. Size 6 in them. What's these? Nike Air Max 95 Black Aluminum Anthracite. So I think these is for another customer. So I got one of my customers, man. He's a 95 freak like me. I love Air Max 95s, man. I just cropped these for myself. I love them, man. I just love 95s, man. I'm an old school cat, man. I love Air Max, man. These are Air Max, Nike Air Max 95 PRM. Let's see, what's this? These are more of the, yep, Air Max 97s. Man, I told you, folks went crazy over these things, man. They went absolutely crazy when they seen that colorway. Another pair of Air Max 97s. I'm gonna leave that right there so you guys can check them out. Let me know what y'all think. Let's get into this other box. And then I want to go and look at another pair of shoes that released 2 days ago. I posted a video of it, but I just bought this new light. And I used the red lens. So the video didn't come out quite like how I wanted it to come out. But this Air Max 97, another pair. More pairs, more pairs, more pairs. So if you need a pair of these Air Max 97s, just hit me up. I'll have my website in the description below and all that good stuff. My Instagrams, all that. I'm getting used to this YouTube thing, thumbnails and all that good stuff. But so this is the shoe that released 2 days ago, dropped here in Europe. And I think they dropped on the 15th. in the US. It is the women's Air Jordan 1 High OG, I'm sorry, blue chill and white. So let's check them out. This is a woman's size 9. Everybody is going crazy over these things. I mean, my DM, I posted this video on my Instagram page, and people were blowing my DMs up for these. Blowing them up. But what do you guys think about the Retro 1 OG blue chills? What do you guys think? You guys think it's too hyped up? You like them? You're going to cop? You're trying to cop? Because I was only able to get, the biggest size was a women's, I think 9.5, which is like a 8 in men's. And I got everybody wanted a 12, 11.5 in women's to get their men's size. But I wasn't able to get them. I was lucky to get the sizes that I had. So, what do you guys think though? You guys feeling these? I like them. I'm just mad they didn't come in my size. And I do not own any retro ones. Not one pair. I'm flat-footed, man. They don't feel comfortable on my feet. So, alright. So this is a woman's 9. And this is a women's 8.5. Women's 8.5. So I don't think I have any more for sale. People jumped on them so fast, man. I was kind of surprised. I knew there was hype about these shoes, but didn't know it was that crazy. So look, it's early in the morning. It's Saturday morning out here in Germany. I'm about to go make me some breakfast and chill out. So let me know what you guys think about these Air Max 97s. Pretty dope. Let me know what y'all think about these blue chill retro ones. Let me know. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, do all that good stuff they say to do on YouTube. Do it for me too, all right? Peace.